All right, we have another example here. And again, I'm going to write them side by side just so I can see what I'm solving for and all that fun stuff. Okay. Now notice, just like the last example, I want to solve for one of the variables so I can substitute it in. And again, I don't want to choose a variable with a coefficient if I can avoid it. So I'm not going to choose 4x, 3y, or 5x. I'm going to choose to solve for this y here. Okay. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. So I get y equals 15 minus 5x. Okay. And then I'm going to substitute that y into the second equation here. So I'm going to rewrite it with a parenthesis where the y is. So 4x plus 3 times something equals 23. 4x plus 3y equals 23. And that something is going to be 15 minus 5x, because y equals 15 minus 5x, so I substitute it in. Okay, now I have to look outside the parenthesis, and I have a 3 out here, so I need to distribute that in. So that means I multiply. So I have 4x plus 3 times 15 is 45. 3 times a negative 5 is minus 15x equals 23. Now I'm going to combine like terms, so 4x minus 15x. That gives me negative 11x plus 45 equals 23. Okay. So right here you should be trying to solve it. So I'm going to subtract 45 from both sides. Okay. So I'm going to get negative 11x equals negative 22. And if I divide both sides by negative 11, I'm going to get x equals positive 2. Okay. So even though it was a little scary up here, we got a nice value for x. And now you should be saying to yourself, am I done? And you're not, right? You need to find y. So you can either use this equation, or the one that's already solved for y. And why not use that one? So I'm going to rewrite it down here. Y equals 15 minus 5x. And x is really 2, so I have y equals 15 minus 5 times 2. So y equals 15 minus 10. So y equals 5. So if you like to put it in a point, that's where the two lines, oops, I'm sorry, you guys can't see that. So I plugged in 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. So my point is 2, 5. So that is the solution to the two equations. That's where the two lines would intersect in a graph. Okay, so I'll go back down here in case you need to pause and work on some of that. And then here's your exit slip and homework. So your exit slip is solving by substitution. if you choose to do elimination, I won't mark it wrong. But you might want to practice substitution in case it comes up somewhere. And your homework is page 209, numbers 11 through 17 odd. Good luck and have a great day. Bye.